यूट्यूब चैनल @NCERT वीडियो बुक्स में आपका स्वागत है। इस चैनल पे आप NCERT बुक्स की एक्सप्लेनेशन और सॉल्यूशन को देखेंगे। इसके लिए आपको चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में जाना है और जो चैप्टर आप देखना चाहते हैं वो देख सकते हैं। टुडे वी विल स्टडी टेक्स्ट बुक ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल साइंस फॉर क्लास 3 और वंडरस वर्ल्ड, द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस। Unit 1, Our Families and Communities. Chapter 1, Family and Friends. Let's start Unit 1, Our Families and Communities. Chapter 1, Family and Friends. About the unit. We all come from different families that live close to one another in supportive and cooperative communities. Together, we cultivate a variety of plants and care for different animals, contributing to well-being of our shared environment. Through mutual aid and collective efforts, we build vibrant and harmonious communities. This unit explores the many facets of our families and communities, highlighting our collaborative work and mutual support. We are dedicated to maintaining and respecting our surroundings, protecting the plants and animals that sustain us with food, clothing, and more. Celebrations such as melas and festivals bring us together to play, sing, and dance, while we also express gratitude by respecting the natural elements, including sun, moon, air, water, and soil. Note to the teacher. This book has 4 units. Each unit has 3 chapters. The first unit is about our families and communities. The key concepts covered in these chapters are listed below. Chapter 1, Family and Friends, shows the various members within a family, their interconnected relationships, the mutual support they provide, and the inherent joy of coexisting harmoniously. Chapter 2, Going to the Mela, presents the relationship between near and far families and their joyful activities. Families enjoy visiting the Mela, where they explore various materials, encounter different people, engage in activities, and enjoy the fun filled atmosphere together. They also find out how all families in a community help each other and stay happy. Chapter 3, Celebrating Festivals, shows a variety of food, dresses, and cultural practices that people enjoy during festivals. People of all ages take part in community festivals with great joy and celebrate the festivals together. Note to the teacher. Collect relevant, local and no-cost learning teaching materials (LTM) for activities. Ask the children to bring photographs of their families prior to commencing Chapter 1 for sharing and discussion. Collect common traffic signs, photographs of local foods, dress and toys, etc. to show the children. Visits and visitors. Plan visits to gardens, fairs if any, traffic parks, local police stations, clinics, markets, etc. Invite resource persons, example, police persons, firefighters, doctors, parents with a pet, grandparents, etc. in case visits are not possible. Let's start Chapter 1, Family and Friends. Playing together. Namaste. Welcome to my home. My name is Bella. I have two brothers, Banku Bhaiya and Little Bisu. We enjoy playing Chupan Chupai outside together. Do you know how to play Chupan Chupai? Hide and seek. You can see here Bella, Banku Bhaiya, Little Bisu, mother and grandmother. At home, we all love to play peekaboo with Bisu. We play in the open space outside our house. We have planted a garden with several flowering plants. Our relatives, friends, and neighbors also visit our garden. They sit, talk, share jokes, and laugh together. Sometimes, when my father and mother are tired after hard day's work, they sit and relax here too. All of us enjoy spending our evenings together. Peekaboo is a game played with a young child which involves hiding and suddenly reappearing, saying peekaboo, singing together. On rainy days, we sit under a small shelter we have created in the garden. It is great fun to sit outside when it rains. We play games like Antakchari and Snakes and Ladders. My mother and grandmother, whom we call Tatiji, make hot pakoras and tea during the rains. All of us, including our grandparents, sit together and enjoy the pakoras. Many times, my Dadiji sings songs about the rain. She has taught us a few of the songs, so we join in the singing too. A rain song. Look at the dark clouds in the sky. The rain will come by and by. Oh, how we love to soak in the rain. See raindrops on the window panes. Paper boats we see in puddles. Birds on trees together huddled. Peacock dance with feathers bright. Oh, what a beautiful rainy sight. Inspired by a folk song. Let us repeat the rain song. A rain song. Look at the dark clouds in the sky. The rain will come by and by. Oh, how we love to soak in the rain. See raindrops on the window panes. Paper boats we see in puddles. Birds on trees together huddled. Peacock dance with feathers bright. Oh, what a beautiful rainy sight. Inspired by a folk song. Discuss. Who are the members in Bella's family? The answer will be in Bella's family. There are grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Bella herself, and two brothers. What do your family members do when it rains? Kindly think and write. The answer could be my family members enjoy hot tea with biscuits during rains. Can you think of a rain song and sing it with your friends in the class? Kindly try to do so. Right. Write the names of your family members in the table below. Name, relationship with you. You call them, you address them as name Urmila, relationship with you, mother, sister. You call them Mosi. Similarly, mother's brother, you call him as Mama. Similarly, father's sister, you call her as Bua. Father's brother, you call him as uncle. Similarly, mother's mother, you call him as Nani. You can write names here. Laughing together. You can see Bella and her family enjoying together. My Dadaji, grandfather, has taught Banku and me games that he used to play with his friends when he was our age. He joins us in some of our games too. Siru joins us and runs around, barking and wagging his tail with joy. Siru has a special place in our home. He is a member of our family. Our friends love to play with him too. Banku and Bela never hurt Siru. They share their food with Siru. Find out. Do you know what games your grandparents used to play when they were young? You can write answer by asking your grandparents. The games could be wrestling, horse riding, hunting, javelin, and some modern games such as Kho, Kabaddi, etc. Types of families. Families are big, families are small, families are different, and we love them all. There are parents in a family and children too, and of course grandparents and others too. Can you tell who? Families are people who care about you. My family is special and yours is too. Let's repeat the poem Types of Families. Families are big, families are small, families are different, and we love them all. There are parents in a family and children too, and of course grandparents and others too. Can you tell who? Families are people who care about you. My family is special and yours is too. Would you call Bella's family a big or a small family? In Bella's family, there is grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Bella, and her two brothers. That means total 7 members. So you can call Bella's family as a big family. You should know there is two type of family. One is joint family and other is nuclear family. In joint family, all family members live together such as grandparents, fathers, brothers and sisters, etc. But in nuclear family, there are few members such as father, mother and children. A family can have a few or many members. If you look around in your neighborhood, you will find many types of families. Discuss. What games do you play with elders and other members of your family? The games could be chess, carom board, ludo, snakes and ladder, kabaddi, badminton, cricket, etc. Which animals come to your home or your neighborhood? The animals can be cat, dog, jackal, cow, squirrel, wolf, elephant, pig, buffalo, monkey, etc. Have you ever shared food with the animals who come to your home? Share your experience. Kindly try to do so. Why do you think we should not hurt or tease animals? You know, animals help in balancing the environment around us. Their existence is as old as those of humans. So they have rights to live on this planet without getting hurted. Our family members, friends, neighbors, and relatives love us, care for us, and support us. There can be parents, mothers and fathers, grandparents, Dadaji and Dadiji, brothers and sisters like Banku and Bila, and other elders in a family. Everyone loves each other and takes care for each other. Families also love and care for animals, trees, and plants. Animals like cows, buffaloes, dogs, parrots, cats, goats can also be part of a family. We should be loving and caring towards animals the way Bella and Banku are towards their pet Siru, helping each other. Activity 1. Tick and color the activities that you see in your family. In first picture, a lady is combing and straightening a girl's hair. In second picture, a man is spreading clothes to make it dry. In third picture, a old man is making a child bath. In fourth picture, you can see two ladies are talking. In fifth picture, you can see a man and a boy cooking food. In last picture, a lady is helping children in their studies. If all this happens in your family, you can trick it here and color this out. In our homes, we do many activities together. I have long hair. My dadiji oils my hair and braids it in the morning before I leave for school. She hums a song while she is doing this. It makes me happy to listen to her. I have learned many songs from her. My parents help each other in all the housework from cooking and cleaning to shopping for groceries. My Dadaji loves gardening. Banku Bhaiya and I help our parents and grandparents with some of their work every day. Banku Bhaiya helps in cleaning and chopping vegetables while I help my Dadaji in the garden. One of our closest friends is Munni. She and her mother, Kusum Mausi, mother's close friend, who is like a sister, live near our house. Kusum Mausi is an excellent cook. She makes delicious sweets and special dishes for us during festivals. She and Munni join us in all the festivals at our house. Munni is very good at making rangoli. She uses colors made from different dried flowers. On some occasions, she uses leaves and flowers too. I love to help her. Draw. You can draw some more pictures to show how your family members help each other. We all learn many things from our family members and neighbors. What all have you learned from your family and from whom? The answer will be different for different children. Some children may have learned how to cook food from their parents or from their mother. Someone have learned how to read newspaper from his father. Similarly, you have learned other things from your family members. Kindly think and try to do on your own. Has anyone learned anything from you? The answer will be different for different children. You may have younger ones in your family. They have learned something from you. Kindly think and write. Activity 2. Collect some leaves and flowers that have fallen on the ground and create a rangoli. Discuss. How do you help your family? You can think and write. You may help your mother in cooking. You may have helped your father in shopping. Similarly, you may have helped your younger brother or elder brother in some work. Kindly think and write. Some people in the family need special care and support like grandparents, small children, and someone who is sick. How do you help them? The answer will be I help such persons by taking care of them. That is, helping in their daily works, such as washing, bathing, cleaning, eating, etc. Right. Who is the oldest person in your family? The oldest person in your family may be your grandparent, such as grandfather. Kindly think and write. Your answer may be different from that of mine. Who is the youngest person in your family? The youngest person in your family may be your younger brother or sister. Kindly think and write. Who is the tallest person in your family? The tallest person in your family may be your uncle. Your answer may be different from that of mine. Kindly think and write. Do you have any members in your family who do not live with you? Who are they and where do they live? How often do you meet them? Some of your relatives, such as your paternal or maternal uncle or aunt, may not be living with you. They may be living in some faraway place such as Mumbai or Delhi. They will be meeting you in some festivals such as Holi Diwali or some sort of ceremony such as birth ceremony, death ceremony or wedding. Note to the teacher. Explain to children that a rangoli can be made using a variety of materials. Activity 2 can be done on the classroom floor under supervision. What are the names of your friends who play with you at home or in your neighborhood? Kindly think and write. Activity 3. Look at the picture below and write down Bila's relationship with all the members of her family. You can see Bila here. His grandfather, she is grandmother, father, mother, Kusum Mausi, or you can write only Mausi, pet dog or Siru, little Bisu, or younger brother, and Banku Bhaiya or elder brother. Activity 4. Draw a picture of the members of your family and write your relationship with them. You can look at the example given on page 13. Write. Write down the names of relatives who visit your family. How are they related to you? Name of the relative. How are you related? What do you call them? There are relatives such as Mama, Mausa, Bhabhi, Jija, Chachi, and Bua. Mama means mother's brother. Mausa means husband of mother's sister. Bhavi means brother's wife. Jija means sister's husband. Chachi means wife of father's brother. Similarly, Bua is father's sister. In a family, we take part in the day-to-day work of the home just like Pila and Banku do. Our family also includes relatives who may not live with us. They are related to us through our parents, mother or father. Find out. In Bela's family, everyone does some work. Who does what work in your family? Find out and fill in the table on page 16. Work. Who does it? Cooking food, mother. Watering plants, grandfather. Mending things, repairing household items, sewing buttons, etc. Grandmother. Cleaning the house, elder sister. Buying things from the market, elder brother. Cleaning, car, bike, and parking, uncle. Paying bills, father. You may add to the list other work that your family members do in your home. Fun with family and friends. It was a holiday. We all went to the park with our Dadaji. When we reached there, many of our friends were playing Pithu. Niku, Rinki, Rohit, Ronnie, and Tara were calling out each other to run fast and place the stones quickly. We joined them and made two teams. Dadaji brought a ball. He hit the stones and scattered them all. We ran to pile the stones as fast as we could. Rohit, Niku, Ronnie tried to hit us with the ball to make us lose. It was fun. We began to feel tired after some time. So Dadaji asked us to rest for a while. After about 20 minutes, he bought us some ice cream. Soon it began to get dark and we went home. We had a lot of fun playing, laughing, and eating together. Let us reflect. A. Write. 1. How do family members show their love and care for each other? The answer may be family members show their love and care for each other by helping and fulfilling their needs. 2. What games do you play with your friends? You can think and write. The games may be Ludo, chess, carom board, badminton, cricket, football, basketball, kabaddi, hide and seek, etc. B. Draw. Draw some of your happy moments you enjoy together with your family. C. Discuss. 1. What do you learn from your elders in your family? You may have learned many things from your elders in your family, such as reading newspaper, cooking food, getting well dressed, speaking English, etc. Kindly think and write. 2. How do we show our love and care for people in our family? The answer will be same as the answer of this question. 3. We care for many others who are not in our family. Who are they? How do we care for them? We care for such people by providing food, cloth, shelter, and other basic needs. Though they are not our family members. D. Activity. Find and circle. Circle 5 words related to games in the grid below. One example is done for you. You can see toys has been encircled. Similarly, you can circle ball, bat, net, and Ludo. For more videos, you can like and subscribe at the rate NCERT Video Books. Thank you.